Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your speaker SOUNDCORE Motion 300 with your MacBook. You have to start by click at the Bluetooth icon at the top, but if you don't have this icon, just go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Then go to the settings. And after that, you need to locate power button, and it's located at the top of your speaker. So press one time on it to turn on your speaker, and if your speaker do not connect it with another devices, it will enter to pairing mode automatically, and you will see it at the device list. But also we can enter to pairing mode manually by press one time at the Bluetooth button, what located near to the power button. Just press on it. You will hear a sound, and it means that we enter to pairing mode. After that, you need to click connect near to your speaker. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!